If you want an easy, relaxing bike ride, you typically wouldn't go into the mountains to find one. But there is a place in northwestern North Carolina that has one of the more enjoyable and yet flattest biking experiences you can find. While the coastal area has flat roads, you always have to contend with wind and usually lots of traffic there. This road that leads from Todd, North Carolina to Fleetwood, North Carolina, follows the second oldest river in the world with the unlikely name of the New River. Elevation in Todd is 2,924 feet above sea level, and the elevation in Fleetwood, your final destination, is 2,872 feet. If you go out and back from Todd, the 17.5-mile track has a whopping 52 feet of elevation change, with beautiful scenery of the New River, Christmas tree farms, and mountains all around. Afterwards, you can unwind with an inner tube or kayak float down the lazy New River, either by using one of the local shops in Todd or bring your own. You saw more people on bikes than we saw on cars this day. It's fine for road bike, mountain bike, e-bikes, any kind of bike, and can be done at any pace. If the full 17 miles is too long, just turn around at any point and head back.